Today I would give you some tips and tricks to doing a flavectomy in a decompression case in a quick, safe and easy way. After resecting the cranial laminar till the attachment of the ligamentum flavum, you detach the cranial ligamentum flavum and detach the adherences between the dura and the ligamentum flavum down to the lower lamina. And then with the Kerrison rongeur, you start to cut the rim of the caudal lamina and down to the lateral recess, and then you can take out the ligamentum flavum in one piece. Of course, the lateral recess decompression you're doing from cranial to caudal to avoid any nerve root lesions. In the over-the-top technique, you have a much better outcome while you avoid to digging holes down to the lateral recess, especially if there's a severe lateral recess stenosis. You resect the base of the spinous process with a diamond burr, and then you go sheet by sheet down in the lateral recess, avoiding digging holes in one layer.